The Care 12-litre dehumidifier is sure to be a winner in any home. And with this appliance, well, you'll benefit from continuous dehumidification for jobs when immediate results are needed. So, for example, when a room is flooding or you wanting to dry clothes. You just simply opt for the continuous mode and it'll ensure the elimination of moisture quickly and effectively. In fact, using the plus and minus buttons on the top here, well, you can manually set the desired level of humidity between 35 and 80%. Now you'll be able to enjoy the safe operation of the Care dehumidifier, and that's due to the special equipment for protection from overflow. So when the water tank is full, the dehumidifier will automatically switch off. The full indicator will illuminate to let you know that you just need to empty your water tank. Therefore, it's going to help prevent any leakages. If you want to use the dehumidifier for larger jobs and use it for longer without actually emptying the water tank, well, you're in luck because you can simply use the continuous drainage option. At the back, there's a tube. You simply plug the tube into the siphon and therefore all the water that's collected will flow through the tube and into the drain that you've selected. Now this is really easy to move around the home as well, and that is thanks to the rotating wheels. You can simply move it from room to room and you'll get the ideal level of moisture without any hassle. Now this really is a remarkable appliance and it is packed with technology. The best thing about it though is that it can perform all of these functions with low levels of noise. All you do is just simply enable the silent mode if you want to use it at night or at times when silence is required, and it will bring the room to the ideal level of moisture without any hassle or noise. This is the Care 12-litre dehumidifier brought to you by Inventor Appliances.